is not an exaggeration to say not many know the difference between a heat gun and a hairdryer. Though these tools look similar and work almost the same way, you cannot replace them with one another. A heat gun is intended for industrial use, like getting rid of paint and molding plastics, so it cannot be replaced with a hairdryer. It may cause severe damage to hair and scalp if used on hair. This video gives you details on how a hairdryer works and why a heat gun should not be used for hair. Watch on. How does the hairdryer work? A hairdryer has a motor-powered fan located at the back of the device. When switched on, this fan intakes air, which passes over a heating resistance coil and heats out. This hot air is then let out of the front exit point. You cannot use a heat gun on your hair. The hairdryer is designed to style and dry the hair. Its temperature settings are ideal for hair styling and maintenance. A heat gun is not designed for hair drying purposes. While it can reach a minimum temperature of 100 degrees, it is not suitable for the scalp and hair. This is because it lets out concentrated hot air. Unlike a hairdryer that spreads hot air evenly, the concentrated hot air can severely damage the hair and burn the scalp. Here is a comparison between both the devices for a better understanding. Excessive heat can damage the hair shaft, affecting the hair quality. Watch on to know how. Excessive heat can make the hair dry and rough. Hot air can penetrate the hair cuticle, reaching the cortex, inner layer. This can weaken the hair structure, affect the hair color, and may cause hair breakage. If you are using a more concentrated heat source, like the heat gun, it can severely damage the hair structure. Even excessive use of a hair dryer can damage the cuticles. Too much of anything is bad. Excessive hair dryer use on high heat settings can cause dryness and make the strands brittle, leading to hair damage. However, blow drying is a better option than air drying. This is because leaving the hair damp for too long can damage the hair cell membrane complex and alter the natural hair color. Using a hair dryer at a distance of 15 cm with continuous motion can cause less damage. There is no way to compare the results of using a heat gun vs. a hairdryer because they are quite different from each other at many levels. Heat guns and hair dryers may look similar, but they serve distinct purposes. A heat gun is intended for industrial and household usage only and should never be used to dry your tresses. Otherwise, it may result in hair loss and scalp burns. So, you should exercise caution and stick to your regular hair dryer to dry and style your hair. Comparing two strong competitor models is not just an easy task. However, we've done a little. But choose yours one according to your preferences. This video is just to help over the topic. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching till the end.